Hello guys, it's your boy Jake aka Unbox King and welcome to my channel. Hello, kumusta na guys? So we are back at it again with another unboxing video. At this time, we are unboxing the newly released Yeezy 380 Boost Blue Oat. So, ito na siya. Naka-receive ko lang galing FedEx and yeah, I'm excited as you are because I'm gonna have a first look of it. And yeah, as I've seen in the pictures on their official images, a lot of people didn't really dig the colorway, so I'm kind of excited and kind of parang natatakot akong buksan yung box kasi sinasabi nila na pangit yung colorway. I've seen a couple of videos that say that they don't really dig the colorway, but I have to see it myself, okay? So this package came in from End. Follow them on Instagram, on their Twitter at End Clothing. I like their packaging too. Really sweet. So ito na. So it comes in with I think this is my receipt. Yep. And I actually picked up a UK 12, which is a US 12 and a half. Pero ang Adidas kasi medyo malaki yung sizing niya. So 12 and a half is equivalent to size 13 and in a regular shoe.
Paano masabi?
Alright. So here it is, guys. We got ourselves the Yeezy Boost 380 Blue Oat. Wow. Ako lang ba nakakagusto sa shoes na to, or I don't know. I like it. Siguro sa mga sneakerhead na nag-dislike dito sa pair na to, siguro hindi lang sila makahanap ng like matching outfit for this shoe. Well, I guess a lot of the Yeezy colorways are unique, and it's really hard to match it up with any type of like clothing or like your pants, your shirt. It's really hard because ganun yung mga Yeezy, they have their own unique colorways. A lot of people are complaining about the blue right here. Come on, it's not that bad. Akala ko kasi itong blue na to para siyang yung parang pinaint lang na blue. Kasi as I've seen on other videos, that's what the comments are. But no, it's actually the material. It's the material itself. Yeah, it has a blue. I actually dig that color too. I don't know, is it just me or yeah, and you got that blue insole there. Yeah, and it also features the full-on boost. So this is gonna be like a super comfortable shoe. Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but I dig this colorway. Alright, so let's take it outside and let's see like a full-on detailed view of the shoes, okay?
no crisis. Cause if anything goes wrong, we can turn this ship around. If anything goes wrong, there's no crisis.
So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, that like button, and that notification bell for more videos. Again, this is your boy Jake, aka Unbox King, signing off.